much, Mr. Kotsi, for coming in. I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay.
Thank you very much.
The SAPOA Forum is happening right here in Gaborone, and Botswana Post will be the host. A big thank you to Botswana Post for supporting the DUMELA Botswana Breakfast Show, and good luck on the forum. I hope that the conversation will be fruitful and will grow poso ya rona mono gae. That's it from us. We will be right back. I'm going to go grab my brother Bernard, and we're going to say goodbye to you as the DUMELA Botswana Breakfast Show comes to an end this morning.
The Paul Reloaded.
Let's go.
Wanna feel alive, but I ain't. How I keep on.
This is where it's at. This is where all the magic happens.
Brace yourselves. This season, we're partnering with some of the biggest festivals around the country. Brace yourselves. Rekhotetsa mogote. Catch the DBS Festival Series, exclusive to BTV. Experience a celebration of culture, joy, and unity unlike anything you've seen before. Brace yourselves. Remosiling. Hashtag the DBS Roadshow.
Botswana Innovation Fund e amogela dikopo tsa madi go thusa go tlhabolola ditlhamo tse di itebagantseng le dikgwetlho mo setšhabeng. Batlhami ba ka bona madi go atolosa di-prototype kana go di tlisa mo mmarakeng. Gakologelwa ga gona letsatsi le go tswalelwang dikopo. Ikwadise mo Drop Form Portal etela www.bih.co.bw ebe o tlhopha BIF Grant Opportunities. Go itse go feta fa etela website ya rona kana romela email ko innovationfund@bih.co.bw. Go na le melawana.
Itina maposa, itabo mateba, ay, usbone masndeba, baba ne jealous, ay, itina maposa, itabo mateba, usbone masndeba, ay, baba ne jealous, itina maposa, itabo mateba.
they say all good things must come to an end, and unfortunately that means DUMELA Botswana must also come to an end. It is almost 8 a.m. and we just wanted to remind you about the incredible conversations that we've had today. Remember, the women's football national team, that is our senior team. The Women's Africa Cup of Nations which is very, very exciting. Turkey, they have played a friendly match already. They played with a Turkey FC. They played with a team, a club from Turkey. Russia, they are much higher ranked than us, which is a great challenge for the Mayors. 4 p.m.
Yes, it's simple. Botswana Football Association page, but a link to follow, and then you'll be able to enjoy that game in the comfort of your own home or your own house, just over your own device. So and we should do it the way we did it in 2012 when the Zebras qualified for the AFCON. Every Friday, let's not forget the little we can do. Just to show them and give them the love. We are all here for you. We can't wait for the Women's Africa Cup of Nations.
Yes, in the last competition, they finished in the quarterfinals. Semi-finals, and Morocco is going to be so good.
Yeah.
That is one of the conversations that you should look forward to with Game Now Sefemo. Now, I had a very interesting conversation with Botswana Post, the Southern African Postal Operators Association. Batsile mono gae e le gore mahatsa le 14 ba tla bo ba kopanela gone ha ele ba poso batsile go ipuapua gore gone mme re soloheleng ba tla ba le gone ko Royal Area Convention Center ko eleng gore they are going to be there from the 28th until the 1st. Ke tsa gore ha o bona every week ba nna ha ka la bone ba re bolela gore re bula poso kwa re dira jana. It is because they have a mandate. They have dielo tse eleng gore ba di ipetse bo sapoa ba tsile go bua gore gone mme le tsama ha ka re ka le thusa jang gore dielo tse le gone go di itlhela.
Poso Arona has been really busy for this past year. They've been good week in, week out. They have something to do. But what I love more about them this year is they are CSI. But because this event is not their CSI,
right.
One thing that I've noted is how much Botswana has been really hosting.
Right.
As much as Babu Ajalo Honore Bachenchana kana ba mo kana jalo kanyona go host but the fact that they are coming here, we shall be hosting and actually generating revenue it actually it makes me really excited because I'm one person who loves hosting, so it's like we'll have a chance. How na hosting.
I mean,
yes.
Are you a good host? Okay, out of 10.
10 out of 10. I mean, like hosting like so I think Botswana Post will keep us busy this week.
Shall I fill up your glass?
That's just me. That is just me.
And you had a wonderful conversation.
Yes.
Research.
This year, there is no way we are going to keep quiet about this one.
Right.
It's upon us because they've done an incredible job in the past months about and it's all upon us for making sure that we also have a voice, and voice if you don't do it, who's going to do it for you?
Exactly.
The director kako support capital and me itumeleng lebogang abajela kana khanya gore hitle ba the voter registration e wela maloba ba le mojela gore banana ka bontsi ga ba ikwadisa therefore kgang kholo gona ke gore ba itsele gore ke eng banana ba sa ikwadisa and ha go ntse jalo ba ka dira jang gore ba le ke jalo go ba ntsha pele wena go ba rotetse bo ikwadisa ke yone kgang yone ile it's the public's engagement analysis gore go to the website the Facebook page Support Capital Africa o le ke jalo go to be part of this survey gore
sale.
ba bontshe gore ke eng o sa ikwadisa, and they will take the recommendations to the relevant authorities.
O botsa o mang wa gago o leba gone ka your closest polling station le ko nnang teng o bo o ikwadisa ra tlhopha go 2024. Ben,
Yes.
it's been wonderful.
Absolutely fantastic.
And from myself, Leboa LB Moring.
Nna ke bila hela jalo gote Bernard Benny B Mogaitsho ke re ta kopana gape mo tsatsing la ka moso la laboraro. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you this morning with us. So see you tomorrow and have a wonderful morning.
Good morning.
The Morning Show is proudly brought to you by Botswana Post. Rise and shine.
Shebeleza
gana ba ntšhakela tota basadi ba maputse ba ka ga ke sapota ga ke fitlha feedback ka ke sa ithipota ba nnosa makala ba gatisa difoka ga ke tsitse ke gana utlwa motho a popota kampa ka tshwara le bota ga ke tshwarotshwane basadi ka batho lankatawa apala gole le basadi ka batho langanwa